Hello everyone. So I want to share my opinion about the meaning of Ghost International. I think the meaning of Ghost International can be realized by participating in various competitions. So for me, competitions is the most effective ways to bring ITTS become an internationally known institute or campus. So I hope my friends have the same hopes and enthusiasm as me. Thank you.
Many believe that we should study abroad to be good international, and I kinda agree with that. I'm always looking for a way to make that happen. I often do research about the scholarship program to study abroad and then the summer course program or even the joint degree programs. I indeed believe that ITTS can help me and the other students to be able to achieve our dreams to study abroad.
Telkom Campus Surabaya. This is where my youth begins. The campus, which is located in the city of Heroes, has many youth generation with great ambition to create a million innovations that are useful for the nation. I'm very proud to be one of the great youth generation. A campus that has the aim of enhancing the education, developing technology and innovation, and solving problems that occur in society such as IT Telkom. It's a campus that I dream of all this time. So, this is where I will make my dream come true.
Hello everyone, I'm Natasha. I'm one of a college student in IT Telkom Surabaya. Why did I choose this campus? Because when I graduation from senior high school, I searched a college through media social, which is Instagram, and I found it. It pops on my feed, and I truly digging it, which is really cool because this is new campus, right? And it's already have many achievements, and the campus is really crazy. The place is really good, which is suddenly, immediately, I registered it and told my parents. That's it.
Hi, I'm from Banyuwangi. Right now, I'm living at the dormitory nearby the Telkom campus. There are a lot of kind of dormitories or share houses for students from outside Surabaya around Telkom campus Surabaya. So, when I was searching for a dormitory, it was very easy for me to find a dormitory to live in when I'm in Surabaya. Honestly, I feel super comfortable here. Also, Telkom campus Surabaya is very accessible because there are train station, airport, and terminals around the campus. It's also very easy for me to find some foods with affordable prices for students. So I think Telkom campus Surabaya is super friendly campus.
Hello, I'm one of the students from Surabaya. Personally, I like learning about the culture and uniqueness of Indonesia. And it turned out that in Telkom campus, I found many friends from various regions, especially in my class. I'm very blessed, so in that way, I can learn the culture from them too. The friends that I met from various regions, among others, starting with Rido Rosadi, who is from Lombok. Rido once told me about one of the Lombok cultures, that is the Presian culture and Nyongkolan. It is a wedding ceremony, the form of a procession accompanied by a family. He also said that the most noticeable culture is that almost everyone in Lombok wear traditional clothes. And I also have a friend from Bali. His name is Nathanael, and he is also told me about some of the culture from Bali. that is ngaben ceremony, and ogoh-ogoh is an ondel-ondel that is driven by humans. And the last one, there is my friend from Sumatra, to be specific, in Riau. His name is Fajar Novriandi. The culture from Riau is they have a unique characteristic of food, such as fish heads. The key on their cooking is using a lot of coconut milks with a lot of spice too. And he also said to me that everyone must try it. I'm curious about the taste too. So that is the cultural and regional diversity in our class. However, although we are different, we are still one.
One of the things that I love about Telkom is the creative idea that always come from the lecturer and student, which bring us to many achievements. I think they are cool, and I feel very lucky to be able to join the outstanding people here. There are a lot of projects Telkom has done, such as healthy filter exhaust. It is a filter for an exhaust fan so the air that the fan produce become healthier. And also the fruit-like sterilization project that bring IT Telkom to the final stage and the competition in Singapore. And not to mention the achievement that the student organization has made. For instance, the Cakrakala robotic team was successfully passed stage 2 of the vertical takeoff landing category in the Indonesian Flying Robot Contest. It did not stop there. They even continue to work during the pandemic. Another fabulous creation that the IT Telkom has made was the crane of corps, which is the used to help bury COVID-19 victim. Wow, I'm very impressed. I hope I can be one of the students who can contribute and provide an achievement for the Telkom Campus Surabaya.
Me, myself, I truly believe that with our esports teams, we can contribute to making our institute become greater, especially for the national competition. Back then when our institute joined Indonesia Super League and be one of the top 8 teams, I think, based on what I have to say, we can draw a conclusion that in several years, months, or even days, we can conquer the whole world together.
I contributing to build the faculty website and study program of IT Telkom Surabaya to get recognition by many people. With my team coder, website for IT Telkom Surabaya is very important because it contains information about campus, like how campus life, what are the study program and others. So, let's join with me and IT Telkom Surabaya.
"2020 has been a tough year. The novel coronavirus outbreak, which began in Wuhan, China in December 2019, has expanded to cover every corner of the world. Millions of people around the world have already been infected, and hundreds of thousands of others have already died. The World Health Organization has declared the outbreak as a global health emergency and rated COVID-19's global risk of spreading and impact as very high, the highest category that the World Health Organization can use.
Our President, Mr. Joko Widodo, announced that he will reimpose large-scale restriction next week to limit people's social restriction must meet the following criteria. Among others, the number of cases and facilities due to disease that has significant even in other regions or countries. The said restriction shall be imposed on school and workplace. entertainment areas, religious activities, and activities in public place or facilities study will continue. Learn from home as good
menetapkan COVID-19 sebagai jenis penyakit dengan faktor risiko yang menimbulkan kedaruratan kesehatan masyarakat. Dan oleh karenanya, pemerintah menetapkan status kedaruratan kesehatan masyarakat. Untuk mengatasi dampak wabah tersebut, saya telah memutuskan dalam rapat kabinet bahwa opsi yang kita pilih adalah pembatasan sosial berskala besar atau PSBB. Sesuai undang-undang, PSBB ini ditetapkan oleh Menteri Kesehatan yang berkoordinasi dengan Kepala Gugus Tugas COVID-19 dan Kepala Daerah. Juga sudah menerbitkan peraturan pemerintah PP tentang pembatasan sosial berskala besar dan Kepres penetapan kedaruratan kesehatan masyarakat untuk melaksanakan amanat undang-undang tersebut. Dengan terbitnya PP ini semuanya jelas. Para kepala daerah saya minta tidak membuat kebijakan sendiri-sendiri yang tidak terkoordinasi. Semua kebijakan di daerah harus sesuai dengan peraturan, berada dalam koridor undang-undang dan PP serta Kepres tersebut. Polri juga dapat mengambil langkah-langkah penegakan hukum yang terukur dan sesuai undang-undang agar PSBB dapat berlaku secara efektif dan mencapai tujuan mencegah meluasnya wabah.
I wanna call Isti. Hi Isti, how are you? Why? Are you okay?
Not good, bro. Do you hear about large-scale social restriction?
Yeah, I heard it. Why?
I don't know what the government thinking about. I have 1,000 plans that I should running this year.
Same like me, but don't worry, just do
Then,
it right.
this year
Yeah.
we have go to college.
Yeah, I know it.
Are you ready for that?
I'm just prepared for it. I'm ready. How about you? You ready, right? Why? Huh?
I can't wait go to college because I wanna make new friends.
Oh, just let it flow, okay? Don't worry. I wanna go. I will call you later, okay?
Okay, bye.
Learning activity goes online, and our university life start with online class. We meet and do introduction via presscon and social media without meet directly. We know each other by doing a small talk via WhatsApp group or personal chat. As a student participating in the home learning program, online class was confusing to adjust as we had not been prepared for simulation or practice beforehand. This is not meeting that I hope. I never imagined life in pandemic situation. Go to university without really going and did a group task via online. I wish this situation will be better soon.
Gimana kalau kita cek ombak dulu nih? Apakah
Boleh.
masih semangat atau
Iya,
enggak
boleh
nih?
boleh sekali kita cek ombak terlebih dahulu nih ya. Atau nanti setelah ini mau cek jargon bisa nggak nih Kak?
Jargon tuh.
Iya,
Boleh nggak Kak kalau kita cek jargonnya?
boleh nggak cek jargonnya? Boleh, oke
Boleh.
boleh. Kalau gitu kita cek
Wah.
ombak dulu ya. Kita
Cek
cek
ombak
ombak
dulu deh.
dulu untuk jargon PKKMB-nya semua. Masih semangat ya, masih semangat
semangat
ya. Jangan lupa kompak, harus kompak. Kita coba nih. PKKMB Dewangkara Maitala 2020. Upgrading ourselves, connecting everyone, and be a great generation. Oke, meskipun hanya terlihat dari layar, tapi udah kelihatan kalau masih semangat. Meskipun udah siang.
PKKMB online is the first and most unique experience. I had being a new student in a pandemic condition is not fun, but I can feel solidarity in the PKKMB group even though it is done online. We were able to work together, complete the tasks given by senior, and pass the online PKKMB with great joy. With PKKMB, we can get closer to each other, then our friendship becomes strong together and make us like a family.
It has been 3 years ago. I feel very honored to graduate from IT Telkom Surabaya. Then I receiving this scholarship. I have to appreciate it to IT Telkom Surabaya for the opportunity. IT Telkom Surabaya was a great place. When I remember, nice atmosphere there, friendly lecturers, and all the support.
Hai Noval.
Hey. Hello bro.
Halo Cak.
How you doing?
Long time no see. Long time no see. It has been 3 years ago, right?
Yeah, I know that. By the way, you're studying abroad, right?
Yeah, it's nothing.
That's cool.
Yeah. It's nothing. I can speak in English without Mr. Rizal class.
Yeah. Well,
when I remember, he forced us, right? He forced us to speak up in his class.
Oh yes, I remember when Mr. Rizal forced us to be active in the class.
Yeah.
It turned out to be very useful for our future now.
Yeah, it's very useful for our future now. Yeah, when I remember him, what he says about pandemic, right? Yeah, it's been 5 years ago.
yeah, it's been 5 years. It's so long.
This pandemic is something like we are facing at the moment, so it's going to be very global. I believe that this is going to be ended soon. The ideas of this pandemic has changed a lot of things. Like, for example, you are studying in schools, and then now you are studying online. You are working in the office, now you are working from home. Those ideas here are not going to be an obstacles for everyone just to develop the ideas and also try to achieve the career in the near future. For you as a students of the ITTS, we know that especially for the batch 2020, that you are not coming from the campus, you just try to have the online in your home. I believe that this is not going to be a reason for you not to be developed and try to continue about the studying.
The world has changed. Who would ever think that this virus will come to us? This pandemic has changed the way we learn, the way we work, the way we act, the way we interact with other people, etc. Because of this pandemic, we have to enter a new era of human life, and people are getting stressed out in the situation, right? because none of us is prepared for the situation. Whether we want it or not, we have to change our routine. All of this sudden change making us suffer from the fear of being sick or making the other sick. This pandemic can lead us to stress. Even though we are experiencing this pandemic, we have to keep our passion to learn. So the alternative way is an online class. Through this online class, we still can save our health and safety.
During this hard time, we are all worried about the new method of learning, the online class. In this situation, the hardest thing for us is to stay focused on the lesson. So far, lesson don't go as well as they did in an offline class. We often can hear each other's voice. The worst thing is that we have to study for a few hours. After this, we get a headache because we need to stare at the screen for hours. Online learning puts more pressure us on our college students and tests our ability to concentrate. Staying at home is nice, but to be honest, it is more tiring to sit and have online class rather than having an offline class. Oftentimes, we find ourselves becoming lazier, not energized because of online class. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Apakah kalian menulis 4 novel tentang describing place?
No. No, thank you, sir. Just
Waiting a few days before working on a assignment that is fast approaching its deadline isn't the best way to study and have a good grades for us. Early preparation allow us to solve challenges in our coursework that we never anticipate. While preparing for a test or exam, we might come across topic that we don't understand. Early preparation gives us ample time to seek help for our lecturer or classmate to have a better understanding of the topic.
Oftentimes, we might wanna get the most out of school and have fun or join clubs and societies. We argue that online classes as a whole should not be a part of college student education, as they do not prepare students to earn a degree and be qualified to perform a job in that degree. However, we are even more underprepared with online classes. As a student participating in home learning program, online school was confusing to adjust to as we had not been prepared to simulation or practices beforehand. We are struggling. There are some days where we can sit and complete our work, and the other day nothing seemed to click in my brain, and we just can't find the motivation to complete our work. It was like every day we become less and less motivated. We wish there would be a little more understanding of the fact that home environment is different for every student.
Globally, everything has stopped because of the novel coronavirus. However, students continue their education through online class, right? Online class is currently the best alternative as keeping school open poses a safety risk for students. Personally, we feel that online classes are a great alternative to normal in-school class. As a working college student, I have been able to focus more and perform better. The presence of COVID-19 will directly and permanently change education in the future. That's why we must be able to adapt to working and studying online for any kinds of reason and situation.
Hey, come on. Did you remember there are two sides of our friend? Yeah, in our class. Yeah, still remember? Yeah, online side and offline side. I just remember when our friend says about online and about offline. Oh yes, I remember. Yeah. Just like in that time.
offline school is a study method that for us to meet physically. We need to prepare to go to offline classes because we will meet each other. We can build strong relationship with friends and lecturers, keep in touch. Although we feel it online, but in real life it's different. And the media of offline school is learning material book, notebook, pen, correction that. And the experience we can only get from offline school is when you drop a pen on the floor and you blink, the pen is gone.
Offline class we should get probably easily, and we also probably learn from our friends. So I prefer offline class because we can meet our friends. We also social and physical interaction. Because online interaction together some experience as physical interaction, and also we can understand the need better because we meet friend, we can ask question.
Yup, offline school is better. Humans are social beings that can far from social interaction. And on online school, we can meet our teacher and friend physically. That make our relation between each other become more stronger. Sometimes, when the network bandwidth is low, it will disturbing our online class. And we can't learn study material clearly. And it make us to become an idler. Thank you.
But no doubt if it is become online because of COVID-19 disease. And as an example is online school. In online school, it really proved our habit because before that, when we want to go to school, we need to prepare first, like take a bath and breakfast. But nowadays, in online school, you can just wake up late and use your pajama and directly join Zoom meeting. Even though you can do that while you have a breakfast or snacking. And the example of online school is Zoom meeting, Google Classroom, Google Meet, and other.
The things that I left from online lesson is we don't have to go campus during this situation because it's so dangerous. Besides that, we can use the time conventionally. Also, when the online class, we often break the rules that is eating during the online class. We know that's a habit. We really support the online management during the online class. We can actively participate, that is answer the question that the lecturer give to us, and we can try to stay organize our room.
Also on the online school, we can save our money because whatever we need is available at our house, like food and water. Usually we spend money to buy food when we have offline school. We also save our time by not taking a trip to go to school. It's more practical and economical because if we want to learn something, we don't need to go somewhere and dress up. We just need internet access and we can learn anything from home. And it's also reduce the bullying often that happening in offline school.
During online lesson, I think a student independent is don't really exist. Why? Because we are at home. Everything is ready profit. Unlike when we are in the campus. Self-realization is properly test, but turn in it out. When there's online class, ITTS lecturer taught me what self-realization really means. Assessment that are not judged by a answer that's correct or not, but judged on the question of as a student. That must be different. Interesting it.
Both of learning activity is good in their ways, even if offline or online. On offline school, we can learn the study material more clearly because we meet the lecturer directly. We can socialize with our friend and lecturer. Also, the organization activity is available, which will make the student will able to learn some soft skill. But on the other hand, in our situation right now, we need to maintain our physical distance to prevent the spread of COVID-19 by doing anything online. For example, the study activity. On the online school, we break our old habit, which is before we do anything step by step, but now we can do anything anywhere as long as we connect to internet. It's also practical and economical by simply the preparation to do classes and saving money for meal and transport. We can conclude that both of the study methods are good in their ways, and really we must accept that we must do online school to prevent the virus spread.
Yeah, and in online class, our skills are upgraded, right?
Yeah.
For speaking English, and the other skill, speak up.
Yeah, I know, right? It's make us to help.
Yeah, just not in English class.
One thing that amazed me about Mr. Rizal is how he teaches us for the first time. I learned that to understanding a language, it is necessary to understand the culture of the country. Have you ever been taught English by watching a movie? That what I'm going through, it was very exciting. Only this time, I was very intense watching the movie, trying to understand what culture difference exist in the film. Of course, by understanding this kind of culture, Indonesian can appreciate for ignorance more. Thank you, sir.
After joining English class, my ability is improved a lot, especially my confidence. After all the time, I've been silent when people ask me to speak in English, because of my fear. I'm afraid. I'm very afraid if I'm using the wrong grammar. But finally, the English class came. Mr. Rizal helped me a lot. The most remembered thing from Mr. Rizal is when he said, English needs to communicate. Grammar is important, but the most important thing, we have to push ourselves to speak. Thank you, sir. Because of you, my ability in English to speak in English is improved a lot. And also my confidence is improved a lot. Thank you, sir.
ITTS provide us an e-learning platform that's convenient for us. From this e-learning, lecturers and students can be facilitated to do their assignment. It's always varies depending on the lecture. Besides, off-duty learning is also often given by our lecturers. Thus, it will encourage students to be smarter and careful in their time management. In this way, me and the other students can manage time appropriately. Thank you so much.
All the lectures in ITTS Surabaya try to motivate you and try to develop the technologies also. How are we going to make it that this course is going to be reached by all the students? So most of the students here, and I believe that you can have your space, you can also try to use all the kinds of technology in this pandemic, and it's going to change everything. And it's going to be also for all of you here to know what is going on in the future. That I hope that this is going to be ended soon. Okay, so we can go to our campus and we can study here and can meet offline. So for all of you, for the batch 2020, okay, do not lose your spirits, okay, especially when you are studying English, because it's going to contribute your career later on when you graduate. I think this is going to be my last word for all of you. Thank you so much for having like one semester for all of you, and that's going to be very nice to teach you in the next semester. Thank you so much.
For all of my friends in 2020 generation, good luck for us. See you on top. Sukses kabeh lur.
Janji setia untuk mengabdi, bangun negeri makmur mandiri. Tugas mulia bangun generasi, terpuji cermin citra bangsa. Dunia dalam genggaman kita, mari wujudkan cita-cita bangsa. Dengan inovasi teknologi terkini, untuk menjadi yang terdepan. IT Telkom Surabaya, harumkan bangsa dengan pendidikan. IT Telkom Surabaya, maju bersama mengukir prestasi.
IT Telkom Surabaya, solution for Indonesia.